Welcome, everyone. You are listening to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, and I am so happy you are here to learn with us today.
And I'm Josimar. Hello, Luana. How are you today?
I'm great, Josimar. But you just said hello.
I did. It's the first word every English student learns, right?
It is. But today, we are going to help our listeners sound more natural. We are talking about 5 ways to say hello that aren't hello.
I love it. If you want to sound like a local or a friend, you need more than just one word. Let's get started.
So, Josimar, imagine we are meeting for coffee. I see you walking into the cafe. I wouldn't usually say, "Hello, Josimar." It's a bit formal, isn't it?
Exactly. It sounds a little like a robot. If I see a friend, I usually start with something shorter. My favorite is just, hey.
Hey is perfect. It's friendly and very common. But what if I want to ask how you are at the same time?
Then I use the classic, how's it going?
I love that one. How's it going? It's fast. When people say it, the words almost sit together. It sounds like, how's it going?
Right. And remember, listeners, you don't always need a long answer. If Luana asks, how's it going, I can just say, good, thanks.
What about when you are in a rush? Like you see a neighbor on the street, but you don't have time to stop.
Oh, that's when I use, hi there. It's a nice way to acknowledge someone while you keep walking.
Good one. Now, let's talk about a very cool one. I hear this in movies all the time. What's up?
Ah, yes, what's up or just sup? This one is very casual. It's great for friends or younger people. But be careful, don't say this to your boss in a serious meeting.
Definitely not. What's up is for the gym, the park, or the pub. And here's a secret for our listeners. What's up doesn't actually mean how are you? It means what are you doing right now?
True. So if I say what's up, you can say not much or just working.
And our 5th one is more of a time of day greeting. Morning instead of good morning.
I use that every single day. It's polite, but feels very relaxed.
Okay, Josimar, let's dive a little deeper. I want to talk about the how's it going trap.
The trap? Tell me more.
Well, many students think they need to give a medical report when someone asks, how's it going, or how are you? But in English culture, especially in the US and UK, these are often just fillers.
You're right. It's a greeting, not always a real question. If a cashier at the supermarket asks, how's it going, they don't actually want to know that your toe hurts.
Exactly. The best response is usually, good, you? Or, not bad, thanks. Keep it short, keep it moving.
That's a great tip. My deep dive point is about intonation.
Oh, that's important. How we say the words, right?
Yes, if I say hey with a flat voice, I sound bored. Hey.
You sound like you don't want to see me.
Exactly. But if I use a rising tone, hey, it shows I'm happy. The same goes for what's up. If you say it with a smile in your voice, it opens the conversation.
So it's not just the words, it's the energy. I like that. Let's remember, smile when you greet. Before we go, let's look at 5 important words or phrases we used today. Number 1, how's it going? Definition, a casual way to ask, how are you? Example, hi Sarah, how's it going? Number 2, what's up? Definition, a very informal greeting used with friends. Example, what's up, man? Do you want to play football? Number 3, in a rush. Definition, to be in a hurry, to have no time. Example, I can't talk long. I'm in a rush to get to the bus stop. Number 4, formal. Definition, professional or serious behavior, not casual. Example, you should wear a suit to the job interview. It's a formal event. Number 5, acknowledge. Definition, to show that you see or notice someone. Example, Even if you are busy, you should acknowledge your friends with a wave.
Those are great words, Luana. I hope our listeners try using one of them today.
Yes, that is your homework. Don't just say hello. Try saying hey or how's it going to a friend or a teacher.
Practice makes perfect. Thank you for joining us on the Luana English Podcast.
See you next time, everyone. Keep practicing and have fun with your English. Bye.
Bye-bye.